Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. Today is my second day of hand pollinating dragon fruit. Come with me and witness me as I pollinate this second flower. Yesterday, I pollinated one flower, which was the sugar dragon. And so I took that pollen, and now I'm going to take that pollen and pollinate this flower, which is the Guatemalese. So I'm doing the voiceover because I forgot to turn the mic on. So this right here is the Guatemalese that I'm about to pollinate, and the pollen that I used was the sugar dragon. And this is day 2 of pollination. So this flower opened up last night, and now I'm pollinating it this morning. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the like, share, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And for all the members, be on standby for the dragon fruit raffle. I have 3 people who are guaranteed dragon fruits, and they are Dolores, Gigi, and Precious. So congratulations, due to your membership tier, you automatically get your dragon fruit. For everybody else, you'll have to stand by for the raffles. And we only have 15 members. So that's 3 members already that already have their dragon fruit. So your chances of winning a dragon fruit is very, very high. And for the new members on the 99-cent tier, you also get a chance to win dragon fruit. And thank you, Analytic Gardener, for your new membership. So right now I'm just collecting the pollen from this dragon fruit flower. That's what you see me doing right there with the brush. I'm collecting the pollen into my little glass container. All right, so that's complete. I thought the mic was on, but it wasn't. So this is day 1. This is the sugar dragon. It's a smaller fruit, but it's a very delicious fruit. Very sweet, very sweet. Very delicious fruit. It's a very big flower, but the fruit is like very small. A little bit bigger than the size of maybe a golf ball. Between a golf ball and a tennis ball. So it's a small fruit, but this flower right here is a powerful flower because it pollinates all the other dragon fruits. And this is a different angle. As you can see, I have the drone circled around on the other side. That's one of the beauties of the drone. So, and then now I took it another angle so that you guys can actually see how beautiful the flower was. So that's me collecting more pollen. This time I'm using the hand vac. It just sucks up the pollen a little bit quicker. And then I just collect the pollen from the hand vac and I store it. So there you guys have it. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one, juicing with Jay. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.